Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. I am Vivek, and in this video we are going to discuss more about the Shopify menus. In one of our previous video we saw how to create multi-level menu in the Dawn theme. We also see what are the different types of menu provided in the Shopify store, like drop down menu, mega menu. Here you can see in the customize option we have drop down menu which work like this. But for the mega menu it works like this, and another is the drawer menu which work like this. So in the sample we saw how we created it in the multi-level form. Now in this video we'll see how to open this menu on the hover of this cursor. By default this menu is open once we click on this item. Alright, now and we want that this menu should be open as soon as user hovers it. To do that we will add a custom code in our Shopify store theme. So let's go to our Shopify admin. This is our Shopify admin, and edit code. I recommend you to, before editing any code, please keep a backup of your current theme. For example, I have made a copy of Dawn theme by using the duplicate button. This will make sure that our original code stays the same, and in case if you want to revert it, we can do it easily. Now let's go ahead and add the custom code to open the menu on the hover of cursor. To do that, click on the edit code. Now here we'll be adding a new file in the assets folder. Create a blank file, and the blank file will be of type JS. Let's add the name. Custom.menu and done. So this is our asset file that we just added. Now here we will be adding our custom code, which is the JS code, to open the menu just on the hover instead of the click. Now let me just add the code here. So this is the code where we will be getting the details about the header menu, and on the mouse over we will be opening it. Now let's save it. Perfect. Just one more thing we have to do. We have to add this file in our references so that this JS function works on our Shopify store. To do that, let's add the reference of the JS file in the header liquid. This file is responsible for loading all the required JS and CSS files for our Shopify store. Now here we can add it. Here as you can see there are other file references, and below it we will be adding our reference for the custom menu.js. Perfect. So we have added the reference for the custom menu.js here, along with the other references which were default added. Now let's save it. Perfect. Now it is saved. Let's go back to our Shopify store, refresh it, and as you can see on the hover, this particular multi-level menu is getting shown just on the hover. No need to click on the button. Now let's check for the other types of menu as well. To do that, customize, header, and mega menu, save it, and let's get back to here and refresh it. Perfect. So as soon as when I just hover upon it, this mega menu is getting opened. Alright, perfect. So this is how we can add the custom code to open the menu on the hover of the cursor instead of the click of the button. So this was a small video where we share this. I hope you find this video informative. Please let me know if you have any more queries about the process and anything about the process of implementing it, and any other query, feel free to write in the comments. If you like the video, kindly do like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, happy selling.